Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Hyundai Accent, stock number 6144. This ran from the 7th 2011 to the 5th 2015. It has a G4FC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, one scrape and dent in the corner. Left rear 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, one dent. Right rear tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,